With everyone not leaving big cities anymore and people are trying to come into the cities, we're going to have mega cities which are going to be popping up all over the world. The problem with that is that it brings congestion. Everybody wants to drive a car, and one of the big signs of going from kind of the lower income to the middle income is you buy yourself a vehicle. But that in itself presents huge problems for the infrastructure. How do we deal with it? What's the future of mobility? Well, I have the answers. Well, I don't myself have the answers, but Evan Saunders, who's the head of sales and marketing at Urban 626, which is the company behind Urb-E. Is it Urb-E or Urb-E?
Urb-E.
Urb-E,
It stands
okay.
for Urban Electric.
So let's talk about the Urb-E. Why do we have a need for an electric kind of transportation in the first place?
Yeah, well, you alluded to a problem that's only getting worse, which is more people are living in cities. There is more congestion, and to sum it all up, they're not building more roads, and only more people are going to want to get around. So when we look at Urb-E, it's not about creating a toy and hoping people like it. It's about looking at urban environments, how people are commuting themselves around, and trying to find an ultimate solution that enables people to commute around with ease via personal transportation device. And so we approached this topic about 4 years ago, trying to come up with that ultimate solution that's going to be lightweight, that's going to travel far distances, that's going to be quick to charge, that's going to be all electric and very little maintenance, all together as a high quality product that doesn't sort of break the bank account when you purchase it, because we do need a product that's available for everyone. Most of the people who purchase Urb-Es ride them every single day. It's not just for a Sunday having fun with the kids. It's actually them literally depending on it to get to and from work, or sometimes to and from the bus station or train station that they get to work from.
Right.
People are using this device to save time, and that's where we've really seen it pay off. The average person who's using Urb-E saves about 30 minutes a day, and when you add that up over a year, you're looking at giving yourself a 1 week vacation, just thanks to just speeding up your time to and from the office.
No, I mean, it makes complete sense. I mean, let's talk about the device itself. For those who don't know or haven't kind of been following you, what are we looking at? Just kind of give us a description. What are we talking about?
Yeah, foldable electric vehicle, but many other people might be more familiar with the word scooter.
Okay.
We really try to break free of that mold, though. There's no baseboard. It is not a traditional scooter. There are no pedals on it. It's truly a very compact, foldable electric vehicle, and it weighs only 35 pounds. We build them out of carbon fiber and aircraft aluminum, 6061 aluminum, right here in Southern California. So we really focus on making a super quality device that you can fit in your closet, you can fit in a Starbucks corner, you can fit in the trunk of your car, you can bring it on the bus or train easily, and pulling all those components together so that the average commuter doesn't need to worry about chains or grease or maintenance. We really wanted to simplify all of that. Really honed in on that 20-mile mark. We looked at average commutes in cities around the country, and we saw that nearly everyone we're trying to reach can get to and from work in that 20-mile range. For those that can't, we wanted to speed up the charging time. So if you deplete the entire battery, it's only going to take just under 4 hours to refill. Right. So while you're at work, you can keep it plugged in, and it'll charge pretty quickly. Some people, we have to put it into perspective for. Many people will say, 20 miles, I need more than that. And when you look at a city like San Francisco, it's only about 2 miles across. It's actually quite manageable of a city. And even in fact, a place like Los Angeles, where you might think a product like this is impractical, Los Angeles is actually our largest market, because people don't want to deal with parking, coincidentally. They want to go to a place like Santa Monica or Venice, find that parking spot, which is very hard to find, and then not have to worry about it as they go to business meetings or to lunch or even the gym after work.
This has got multiple applications where you're going to have the people who are going to use it from door to door, from time you leave your apartment to the time you get into work. But then you're also going to have people who are going to use it from door to public transport, and then from there to work. And then the last group is the people who are going to use it at the back of their vehicles, drive their car, find a parking spot, and then use that to get to their final destination.
Really good job summarizing those. And even on the third one, we've seen a lot of people who own RVs,
Right.
who own boats and airplanes, keep them there because it really becomes their access to their local surroundings when they get out of the RV or when they dock the
Right.
boat.
Sure.
And unfortunately, it's so compact, and in a boat or an RV, space is critical.
Sure.
So we've been able to create a device that can easily be fit on any of these.
What's the future hold? What's the next big thing?
Yeah, well, the future, this is what we really found, is the Urb-E, we've really gone ahead and made the ultimate personal transportation vehicle. But what we found is our consumers love accessories along with it.
Right.
So we've put a lot of emphasis on our research and development of new accessories that are going to make people's lives even easier. We have cell phone holders, we have a light, we have a cup holder, we have a basket that attached to it, very important. We'll be coming out with the trailer. The Urb-E can pull up to 600 pounds altogether. Pretty incredible. We want to come out with speakers, a yoga mat holder we're working on. So what we found is we people, like you sort of alluded to, are using Urb-Es for different things, but they all want accessories to be able to go onto their Urb-E and to make their life easier in the process, and we want to be able to deliver them the accessories they're looking for.
Okay, well, which makes sense because we all customize and we all want different things. Some might want the yoga to go to the gym, but somebody might want his double latte on the way to work.
Yes.
you want to have
exactly.
You want to have that. You said the range is 20 miles, takes 4 hours to charge. What is the speed that you can get up to that?
You can get up to, we've limited the speed at 15 miles per hour, and we did that on purpose because as a result of limiting the speed, the Urb-E is classified as a bicycle, which means you don't need a license, you don't need to register, you don't need a license plate. You can literally just purchase an Urb-E and ride it right out of our store or right out of the box.
And also 15 miles doesn't sound like a lot when you're sitting in your car, but if you're sitting out there even on a skateboard at 15 miles, you'll know all about 15 miles an hour. I mean, yeah, 15
miles per hour is as fast as you're going to need to go. And then, that's even on open road and bike lanes.
Right.
In cities that are congested, you also don't, we're in New York City zooming around or Boston zooming around. 15 miles per hour is really all you need. And the beauty of it is that you will see your commute just increase in time dramatically, or decrease in time dramatically.
Absolutely. All right, so just to be clear, from a legality point of view, you can drive us on the pavement, you can drive us in bike lane, you cannot drive us on the road.
Actually, you can drive anywhere a bicycle is allowed.
Okay.
And in some cities that might change. Some cities you can drive on the sidewalks, other cities you can't drive on the sidewalks. I believe in everywhere in America you can drive on the road with a bicycle.
Okay.
But when it comes to helmets as well, it's you're not required to wear a helmet. In some states, if you're under 18 on a bicycle, you are required. But of course, safety first. We always recommend it.
Okay. So the kind of almost the rule is whatever your bicycle rules for your city is pretty much if you know those rules, then the Urb-E will follow suit.
Exactly, and pretty much everywhere in America. That means the Urb-E is allowed.
Okay, fantastic. So if people want more information, what's the easiest way for them to get a hold of you?
Yeah, absolutely. Our product called Urb-E, it has a hyphen in it, so it's URB-E. You type that into Google, or you can go to urb-e.com.
You don't want to get that frustration first thing in the morning. That's not a good way to start your day. This is just puts a smile on your face as you're overtaking that Ferrari stuck in traffic. So thanks, Evan, for enlightening us on Urb-E and what it's doing to our morning commute. Now we have even more reason to get out there, enjoy the sun, enjoy our city, and actually see it from a different perspective. Thanks for tuning in for another episode of Talking Tech with the Techie Guy. I will see you in the next video. Guys, thanks for watching another Talking Tech with the Techie Guy. Don't forget to check out the blog on thetechieguy.com, and don't forget to subscribe. There'll be a button below here. Make sure you click that so you get all these videos coming straight to you. Until next time, there's other videos on the screen somewhere here or there, and click on those and you can check out some more cool content, and I'll see you at the next episode.